So yeah, as you can see on oil, the fisher has turned just a bit. The super trend is there. Uh, it's probably an entry area that's going to be around 69.25. Oil is pretty like a, uh, much exhausted on the downside as well. If we go to something like an RSI, something like an RSI, sorry, something is wrong with the indicator list. Yeah. In any case, the markets continue to rally, as you can, as we saw last night as well. This probably was a uh, entry point yesterday, midway through the session before the Fed rate announcement and subsequent pile speech. Yeah. Mm, in any case, yeah, gold also rallied very uh, quickly with the dollar falling like massively from 104 to 102.5 in a matter of few uh, minutes. The 2 year is down a lot, close to 30-35 basis points. The 10 year is, I think, for the first time in months, is below four. So first time since August, it's below four. Uh, that's why gold like rallied that much and in a quick succession. Yeah. In any case, we gotta keep our eyes on gold. So let's change this to 21 for days. So we have been on the risk on markets like the indices, US 30 and everything. Even in oil, we are seeing those are already bullish. Even in oil, we are seeing the, sorry, oil in fact is not bullish. It was just uh, the fisher was set up on a wrong. Uh, Not wrong, yeah, the Bitcoin values. In any case, we are still looking for breaks, breakdowns of these 69.2 areas if this persists. Natural gas has turned quite it's reached an exhaustion level as well. Uh, mm, we can look for buys if we see super trends being tested. It's a bit higher now, about a couple of percent higher, but let's see. mm, Bitcoin and Ethereum, now coming back to them, they saw huge gains like gold and the other markets with the release of uh, the Fed rate cut and the market pricing in like double that the amounts of rate cuts Fed is seeing. So that's something that helped Bitcoin quite a bit. And if we are talking about the trades, so obviously we would have been on a short trade. So in that case, in our entry maybe as low as 40,000, 40,700, something like that, if we were to follow the strategy. So in a case like that, if we set 2% flat drawdown on the entry price, our exit would be somewhere around this area. When the price went outside, it will automatically have exited us from the trade. So that's what I was saying yesterday. Or in any case, we knew that once it broke 41,300, uh, the the bearish situation was going to be challenged, and it did get challenged after that. So Ethereum as well. Ethereum was a bit stable, and maybe it can keep the pace up and move towards the 2300 mark we talked about last week as well. So it's a bit complicated situation going on Bitcoin and Ethereum. But yeah, we have to be look on the lookout for the according to the strategy. We have to be on the lookout for breakdowns now, which is at mm, 42 450. So that's how it's even if the price is jumping like $2,000, we have to be keeping lookout, looking at the bigger picture here. So the Fisher is looking at price action from from this point here. So there is a lot of price action to be held inside this area. So there's bullishness, there is bearishness. So that's what is getting us this signal that our Fisher is bearish. We are looking for bearish crossover on the super trend, and when it does, we just trade based on that. Yeah, similar situation in Ethereum as well, but yeah, they are very far from entry, so we can be a little observant for the moment. In any case, see, these rallies have been immense, and I think quite a bit like it's supposing the market in a way that 2024 might not be. So we'll just have to see how the market pans out. We will just have to see the other factors that will come in play next year. But for the moment, the market is definitely, the risk on markets are definitely bullish.